Hello folks, something a little different tonight. This video is being made for all the people back at the office, and I'm making this video to let everyone in on a little secret. Our good friend Dawn really is a secret train junkie. And for 4 years she's been telling us these stories about this mysterious train that she had under her stairs packed away in boxes, and she hadn't brought out for many years. And we kept on telling her, oh, bring it in, bring it in. She finally did. She finally crawled under the stairs, pulled it out, and brought it into the office. And I've now brought it here to the layout to run the engine and show everyone back at the office Dawn's little engine. There it goes, little blue guy. Now unfortunately, because Dawn left it under the stairs for so long, it's gathered dust and grime and dirt somehow on the wheels, and it's taken me quite a while tonight to actually clean off the wheels in order to get it to a point where you can see it running the way that it is now. It's still not perfect, it's still not smooth, and we need to do some more work on it in order to have the train run perfectly. But I thought I would just make this quick little video to show everybody Dawn's little engine and how it runs, and perhaps if I can get the rest of it cleaned up, I'll be able to attach some of the cars to it and you'll be able to see the full train run. Now I haven't made one of these videos in a while that shows the whole layout, so while Dawn's little blue engine's running around the tracks, just thought I would show everyone the progress that's been made and some of the additional landscaping that's been done in the last 12 months. So as you see, I think the last time we did one of these, we didn't have these mountains, so these are new. Still being worked on though, they're not complete yet. Oh, there goes Dawn's little engine. And the new winter section that was added last winter in the distance. And that's coming together nice. Still has some work to be done to get it complete over in that far corner, but we're still working on it. And of course, the new fall section that's over here with the fall colors. And we're still working on this one. This is the newest edition, and it runs on a separate line. But this is all going to be covered in forest with fall colors on the leaves and the ground, etc. Put some trees in the mountains. Anyhow, let's get back to Dawn's little engine. See how it's running. There it goes. Starting to pick up speed. Kind of moves like Dawn too, fast and a lot of noise.